Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Abu Sufyan. If you're here, then you must be searching for a good keyboard and you have come to the right video. So today we are going to talk about the Cosmic Byte Phantom TKL 10KLS. Okay, so we are going to break down what comes with the keyboard and what are the functions and features of this keyboard. So you see, first of all, this comes in two variants. One is in black and white color, and it comes with the Otemu switches, Otemu red switches. Otemu red switches are for linear and low sound, and obviously you'll have a very good experience on typing. As you can hear, it also has a volume knob right here, and it's a metal volume knob which is very handy. I've been using this keyboard for now around 6 months and it has not let me down. So, build quality. The Cosmic Byte Phantom TKL comes with a plastic body, but the plastic quality feels solid and durable. There's minimal flex, and overall it feels sturdy enough for long gaming and typing sessions. Number 2. Keycaps. This keyboard uses ABS keycaps, not PVT. ABS keycaps feel smooth and are commonly used, but over time they may develop shine. PVT keycaps are generally more durable and textured, but they are usually found on premium keyboards. So still, it's pretty durable. Number 3. Volume knob. The volume knob is a nice highlight. The outer shell is metal, giving it a premium feel, while the inside structure is still plastic. You can rotate it to control volume, and pressing the knob instantly mutes the audio, which is very convenient. Number 4. USB Type-C cable. The keyboard uses a detachable USB Type-C cable, and it's braided, which makes it more durable, tangle resistant, and easy to replace or carry. A great advantage if you're moving your keyboard around often. Number 5. Adjustable risers and rubber pads. On the back, you get 2 levels of risers, level 1 and level 2, allowing you to adjust the typing angle. There are also rubber pads at the bottom to keep the keyboard stable and prevent slipping. Now let's look at the FN key functions, which gives you full control without software. FN plus escape. Holding the FN and escape button for 10 seconds allows you to reset your keyboard settings. FN 1, 2, 3. It helps to toggle between the default presets, which comes with it. FN plus W toggles the position of navigation arrow keys with WASD keys. Very useful for gaming. FN plus Windows key. It deactivates the Windows key to prevent accidental presses. FN plus X. It turns off the RGB lightings. Totally cuts off the lights of the keyboard. FN plus Enter. It changes the RGB colors. FN plus backslash. It switches between the lighting modes and animations, and very different transitions, as you can see here in the video. It's pretty and has many different modes. Love the colors. FN plus navigation arrow keys. Navigation up and down, it allows you to adjust the brightness, to increase or decrease the brightness of the keyboard. Navigation left and right, it allows you to slow down or fasten up the RGB animations, lighting animations. These shortcuts make customizations quick and hassle-free. And finally, you also get the standard F1 to F12 keys, which handles media controls, system functions, and productivity shortcuts just like a full-size keyboard. So here's the sound and typing test for you. Oh, there's one more thing which I forgot to include in the video, and that's the software. This keyboard, Phantom TKL, Cosmic Byte Phantom TKL, comes with a software. And where can we download it? Okay, Cosmic Byte Phantom keyboard. There it is. Go to the website. Go in the bottom, and then you'll see software and user manual. Click on that, and by clicking on here, download it. I already have the software, so I don't need it. Phantom TKL software. Let's open it up. There it is. We got 3 sections here, 4 sections here: lighting settings, light settings, button settings, macro management, other settings. Okay, first of all, we can see that we can create our own profiles. It's a pretty good thing here, but not necessary for me because I'm not going to use the software anymore. But having a software, it gives you more control over the keyboard. On light settings, you can see here there are the different modes and different effects which it comes with, which you also can change manually by clicking the buttons. But here you can see we can change the color of the keyboard, and in real time it changes the effects on the keyboard also. Serpentine, spectrum, and breathe. I usually love this reaction because whenever I click, only then it reacts in the keyboard, and the lights and ripples. You can increase the brightness and decrease the brightness of your desired look, and you can also pick a color, custom color right here, all that thing. And then we have the button settings. We have, if you want like mouse key, fire key, standard keyboard button and all, you'll have all these functions here. You can remap it if you want. I usually keep it default function, so I don't need it anymore. Then there is macro management. In macro management, you can add your own keystrokes, action and delay, how delayed should be according to that, but I don't need it because I'm not a gamer again. And then there's other settings, all the things which you can do with the keys. It is also available on the software, and that's like Windows lock, lock out the Windows button, then num key lock, all these things. Also, you can change the USB report rate here, like 1000 Hertz, 500 Hertz, 250 Hertz, 125 Hertz. That's it. That's what we get in the software. That's pretty much it. And there are a set of function keys, that F1, which you can see basic things. But overall, it has very good typing experience, and I loved it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think this video helped you, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe button. It's free, obviously. Thank you for coming. See you guys in the next one.